Alright then, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Just checking out Bitcoin then for another daily update. As we can see, Bitcoin looking very good so far today with another big green candle. Who knows how this is going to print by the end of the day, but so far Bitcoin looking really bullish, to be honest. You can see we've basically come down, swept out all that liquidity that we did have from last week, from all this slow grind up that we saw over the past, basically the course of a few weeks throughout the start of September. Came down, swept the liquidity, and now looking very bullish as we've been bouncing back up. You can see on our hourly time frame here, we've basically just been absolutely ripping through all these levels of liquidity. You can see we formed this very obvious trendline resistance, and we've also got these big obvious fair value gaps. We came down, rejected from this one, came down, rejected from this one, came all the way down again, and rejected from this one. You can see the chop underneath this one on Friday, Saturday, and then on Sunday, as you can see, absolutely ripped through this first big fair value gap, ripped through this trend line resistance, and then closed up here. And as soon as I saw this one, I was thinking, okay, we're definitely gonna, I find it, do you guys do clockwise or anti-clockwise circles when you draw circles on your charts? I've just realised I do anti-clockwise. I don't know if that's good or bad or right or wrong, but anyway, you can see we've clearly ripped through this resistance here. We've ripped through the first level of liquidity, and then at this point I was thinking, just judging by this impulse here, we're probably just going to come up and run through all of these levels of liquidity on the way back up. And as you can see, pretty obviously did this for Bitcoin. Ripped through this first level, and then on Monday ripped through the second level, closed above this fair value gap here. And then we came down for a little bit of a retrace, consolidate, come back up, and then you're thinking, okay, probably going to rip through the next level. Absolutely incredible candle here today. Very bullish candle ripping through this fair value gap. We have got a tiny fair value gap up here that I think we might be rejecting from. Actually, wait a minute. Is this a fair value gap? Yes, it is. It just looks like, because it's the same color as my... It's the same color as my candlesticks. It looks like basically that it's a candlestick, but it's not. We've got this final fair value gap here that we're probably getting stuck under. So I think Bitcoin here closing above this overall trendline resistance here of potential breaking out to the upside as well. Looking very interesting indeed. You can see here Bitcoin basically, in my opinion, looking like we've hit the last fair value gap. We could consolidate in this area for a while, but overall this is looking really bullish, and I can't imagine that this doesn't come up and complete at the high, to be honest, considering this momentum this week. We've still got 2 more days of this trading week to go. I think considering that we've just ripped through all these levels of liquidity, we're probably going to go up and complete at this high here, grab the liquidity, and then I'll have basically no idea. We might reject from this area here and go back down, but overall I think if we can clear this level here, we're probably going to be heading back up towards the all-time highs for Bitcoin, to be honest. Overall looking really bullish. Not much to say apart from the fact that basically we've been putting in some really great green candles here, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens over the next few days. Can we break up towards that high? As always guys, thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, check back every day for daily updates, and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.